When you're ready, we're going to talk through a very simple procedure called the physiological sigh. This is similar to the whispered R, which we did in the other course. This is where you take a breath in through your nose, and then another short breath in, and then breathe out. It really is as simple as that. With Alexander Technique, we always come back to our attitude. So we're working with the whole self. So have that thought, that really amusing idea of someone or something that makes you laugh. It could be something you're not supposed to laugh at, but that just allows the tension in your jaw to let go. Letting go is a really nice way of looking at this. You're letting go of the habits that are bothering you. You're letting go of the moods and the feelings and emotions that are not really serving you. I want you to stop, and I want you to clearly think that for this brief time now, you're going to let this physiological sigh allow you to unwind. We'll do it again slowly. Have that thought in mind. I'd do that 2 or 3 times. So one more time with me now. Take a breath in. And really allow that long out breath on the R. Think about maybe a dog when they're in their comfortable warm bed. They're letting out that breath with not a care in the world. That's the feeling, that's the emotion that you're really trying to convey. For this brief time now, you're going to give yourself a moment to reset. For most people, they had this idea that if they just correct their breathing, if they just control their breathing, and if they just breathe more deeply, somehow that's going to solve their problems. The idea we're working with couldn't be further from that premise of correction and making something happen. We're going to do less. Because right at the core of AT is this idea that if you're pushing and pulling your body out of shape, that's not going to help you in the long term. We're going to trust, allow, and then notice. And with that core characteristic, the noticing, increasing your presence, you will flood your whole body with attention. And then you can clarify what your intention is.